Hello, my name is Blake, and this is my AR cooking creation. My AR application is a cooking simulation that shows you how to make either grilled cheese or a spaghetti. Whichever one you tap on, it will show you what the ingredients are that you need to make a good bout of spaghetti or a good grilled cheese. And whenever you tap on the kitchen appliance, in this case the pot for the spaghetti, it'll show you what your finished product for your spaghetti should look like with a little eat up sign next to it. The same can be said for the grilled cheese. When you go home and tap on the grilled cheese feature, it will show you all the ingredients you need to make a great grilled cheese. And when you tap on the pan, it'll show you what your finished grilled cheese should look like when you're done cooking it, with a little Bon Appetit sign above. This is an application that anyone can use if they're just starting out cooking and need something to make. Now, in Reality Composer, I can show you how I made it. I used a tap feature to guide you to each ingredients in each of the steps to make your dishes, and I used a audio feature to play the background music on the home screen. As you can see, each ingredient scene has its own tap feature to show you the finished product of what your dish should look like. As you can see here, the spaghetti is the pot and the grilled cheese is the pan. What is next for this application? I would like to further this application by going into depth with each step on each dish to show you all of the detailed things you'll need to make a good grilled cheese or a good spaghetti. So one question, who's hungry?